Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be a study vlog. So I woke up at 5 a.m. in the morning. So now let's start and make this day a productive one. I first start my day by making the bed in the morning, as making the bed in the morning will reinforce the fact that little things in life matters. Then I take out all the books and notes that I wanted to read that day according to my to-do list of that day. And now it's time to drink some lukewarm water. Now here, let me share something with you all. In the initial days of my preparation, I focused only on the studies and not on the physical or mental health. And sooner I realized that health is the real wealth. Without good health, you will not be able to focus on studies. If you people think that सुबह उठ के सूरज को उगते देखने में जो खुशी है वो खुशी आपको नहीं चाहिए, then let me tell you, you people really missing out something very beautiful. Just look at the beauty of nature, yaar. And now it's time to drink juice and talk to mummy. Then I used to spend 10 minutes on social media, uploading the newspaper on Telegram and seeing the beautiful pictures of Labasna. Then replying to the comments on my YouTube videos. So I have taken bath and it's around 8:30 in the morning and it's now time to start with our first session. It's too cold here, yaar. I was literally shivering in the room, so I came here in the balcony. And now I'm doing the book reading of the topic that I studied in the lecture. So now I had my lunch, also an order came, so I'm just opening it up, and my next video is gonna be about this only. So we'll show you this in the next video.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing
history. Now it's the last session of the day. Now I'm just cleaning up my desk and then I will make a to-do list for tomorrow and then we'll go to sleep. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.